So as I said, while it's all great and good building a business around your passion, it's okay if we are happy over here. But if we aren't helping people over here that have the cash, we're never going to make any money. We need to find how we can intersect. And it might be that maybe your initial passion isn't going to bring you closer to a group. Maybe you might need to go into maybe a second passion that you have, or something that's, close by that you would like to do. Maybe not as much as your original passion, but as long as it brings you closer to an audience of people who have got problems, it means you have a good chance of making money in it. So hopefully you have a piece of paper and you've written all that down. If you haven't, just if you want to go back to this podcast episode again and just take a note of all the different places. And by then you should have a whole list of what pain points your potential audience has. And as I said, don't worry, if you think someone else has already covered it, you can cover it as well. So we're going to go through all these different topics sometime in the future, so don't be worrying too much right now. But I just want you to start off on a good footing. I don't want you to build a business around a passion that's never going to make you money. We need to find out what people's pain points are, because payments are payments